The Cuisinart coffee grinder is the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With its electric burr mechanism and 18-position grind selector, you can achieve consistent and precise grinds, from ultra-fine for espresso to coarse for French press. The one-touch automatic operation makes grinding effortless, while its stainless steel design ensures durability and a sleek countertop look. It accommodates up to 32 cups of coffee grounds, making it ideal for solo brews or entertaining guests. Easy to clean and operate, this grinder takes your coffee game to the next level. Upgrade your mornings with fresh, flavorful coffee in every sip. The MegaWise vacuum sealer machine is a game changer for food storage. With an impressive 80 kilopascal suction power, it locks in freshness, keeping food flavorful for longer. Its compact design fits effortlessly in any kitchen, and the one-touch automatic function makes sealing a breeze. The included bags and cutter add convenience, while the external vacuum system accommodates versatile storage needs. Switch seamlessly between dry, moist, and fresh modes to preserve everything from delicate snacks to hearty meals. Durable and easy to use, this vacuum sealer is perfect for saving time, reducing waste, and maximizing savings. An essential for every home cook. Experience the ultimate coffee indulgence with the smart heated coffee mug warmer and mug set. Designed with 1 Guri precise temperature control, it keeps your beverages at the perfect warmth for hours. The sleek mug pairs with a high-tech warmer featuring an automatic shutoff for safety and convenience. Ideal for home or office, this set enhances every sip, ensuring your drink stays just as you like it. Its modern design and user-friendly features make it a must-have for coffee or tea lovers. Elevate your beverage experience today with this innovative solution. The MMC Urco glass food storage container set is a game changer for meal prep and storage. Made from premium durable glass, These containers are designed to keep your food fresh while being completely BPA-free. The upgraded snap-locking lids ensure an airtight, leak-proof seal, perfect for preventing spills and preserving flavor. With 24 versatile pieces in various sizes, it's ideal for portion control, lunch prep, or storing leftovers. Microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, this set offers hassle-free convenience for busy lifestyles. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Invest in this set for durability, functionality, and effortless organization. Viken electric tea kettle is a game changer for tea and coffee enthusiasts. With a spacious 1.7-liter capacity and powerful 1500 watts heating, it boils water in no time. Its precise temperature control and keep warm function ensure you get the perfect brew every time. The sleek digital display makes it easy to monitor settings, while the automatic shutoff adds safety and peace of mind. Its modern design complements any kitchen. Whether you're preparing tea, coffee, or instant noodles, this kettle is versatile and efficient. Upgrade your kitchen with this must-have appliance.